Let me introduce my family. This is my wife, my daughter, our dog Bailey, and BREEVA. They love to play inside all the time, but so does the dust and dog fur. My wife deserves the most beautiful flowers in the world, but suffers from a pollen allergy. Luckily, we have BREEVA, which instantly refreshes. Square feet. Let's take a look at the air quality. All right, that's pretty good. And let's not forget the humidifying function. This is so considerate. At night, you can set it to sleep mode. That gives a low noise effect of less than 26 decibels. Set your favorite modes through the app. How simple is that? Sweetheart. BREEVA, hymn to air's freshness.
We're HANGFOLD, your travel partner. HANGFOLD transforms itself into a template for the perfect folding of garments. HANGFOLD is very simple to use. Press the hook down, and HANGFOLD becomes a folding template. Now, fold your garments around HANGFOLD using the guiding bars. It's that simple. HANGFOLD stays inside the clothes, maximizing space in your suitcase and keeping your clothes tight and compact during your trip so no wrinkles can be formed. At your destination, the process is even simpler. Take your clothes out of the suitcase, pull up the hook, and HANGFOLD becomes a hanger again. It's that simple. HANGFOLD is a patented product made 100% out of recycled polypropylene and is produced in the European Union by ISO 9001 certified manufacturers, ensuring quality and sustainability. HANGFOLD weighs about the same as a shirt. However, it's capable of supporting your heaviest pieces of clothing. HANGFOLD takes good care of your clothes. They will not deform. They will not fall. HANGFOLD is a one-size-fits-all product for your business and casual garments. If we got 1 cent every time someone told us that this was an impossible dream, we would not be doing a crowdfunding project today. Care to dream with us? Get your perk now.
Introducing the MANGOTEK RHK26, the ideal external stereo microphone for iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. RHK26 can turn your devices into a high-quality audio recorder in a finger snap. Perfect for vlogging, podcasting, recording music lives, interviews, lectures, and meetings. RHK26 is a highly integrated audio gear that only weighs 23 grams in a pocket size. It is easy to carry, and it is stable when it is plugged in. Plug in the Apple-certified connector of the RHK26. and it's ready when the blue lights are on. The RHK26 contains a stereo pair of directional condenser mics that can rotate up to 180 degrees for correct stereo orientation. Allow you to record perfectly in multiple sound scenarios, such as interviews and meetings. Use the control panel to customize your recordings. The RHK26 provides 2 types of preset modes. Press the left button to switch between 3 audio modes, and press the right button to choose the mic sensitivity level for proper sound gain. Allow you to manage the sound intensity and avoid overwhelming input. RHK26 comes with a lightning port for charging while recording, and a 3.5mm audio input port for applying extended microphone. RHK26 is highly compatible with most of the iOS apps that support audio input from an external microphone. You can also use RHK26 when using translation apps to improve the accuracy of the voice pickup. MANGOTEK RHK26, the best compact external microphone in the world. Your outstanding audio gear for the sound that matters.
Hi, I'm Julie Campbell, inventor of home decor products and a lover of pattern and color. I've spent the last 2 years inventing a new product that is rethinking wallpaper. It's called pasted paper. What's pasted paper? It's simply sheets of organic wallpaper that are easy to remove. My mission with all the products I develop is to solve a simple problem and say, of course, pasted paper does just that. But more importantly, I make sure all the products I make are easy to use and makes you feel fantastic once you've used it. All of our designs are chosen very carefully. Each pattern has been created using original antique artwork. We have an archive of historic work from the late 1800s and early 1900s that were used in the textile industry. Pasted paper is a solution to an age-old problem. Why is wallpaper so difficult? First solution, make sheets rather than rolls so it's easy to put up. Second solution, make it just as easy to take down. In addition, you don't need any special tools or professional help to put up pasted paper. Pasted paper sheets can be put up on walls, light stucco, glass, even furniture. And once it's up, it can stay there forever. But if you want a new look, it comes off easily and your walls are ready for the next style. You can even wipe it down. Pasted paper will transform your space in a couple hours or less. And it's perfect for a Facebook or Zoom background. Spring is underway and a lot of us are spending more and more time at home. It's more important than ever for us to have spaces that are peaceful and make us smile. Our website is full of inspiration and decor ideas. We've photographed all of our designs in different home decor settings to give you a better idea on how versatile the designs are and to help you envision each design in your own home. Pasted paper is the next generation of wallpaper, and it opens up a whole new world of personalizing your space. We are really excited to share this with you. For all of our backers, we've made a selection of rewards that will complement anybody's home. I can't thank you enough. It truly means the world to me to share this exciting journey with you, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart. So join us in launching this fantastic new product.